Morning everyone. I'm just going to go back to the videos I was talking about with the whole quiet command, and I'm going to show you what I mean, okay? And I hope it works. So yeah, I'm going to ring my doorbell. I'm going to show you the command I introduced, and let's see if it works. Okay? Here we go. There we go. Okay. Simple command. Dogs all went quiet. Like I say, that's not shouting at the dogs. But yeah, I hope that was that worked really well. To be fair, dogs were quiet, still happy, still playing. Okay. Ah, Lola, what are you doing? We've got Lola in the house today. Great dog. I want to. What doing? Good girl. Have a lovely day, Pete. Enjoy the sun.